is Neelam Sethe and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, it's so great to have you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join my family. In today's video, I'm going to share my yoga routine which I do to keep my mind and body balanced. From last few months, I'm doing some set of asanas and meditations which I learned at Isha Foundations. This video is not at all a tutorial. I'm just sharing some glimpses of my yoga routine with you guys, which I on and off have developed since I joined Isha Foundations. As all these practices has been designed by Sadhguru, it will be good if you can take a look at the videos which are uploaded by Isha Foundations, where Sadhguru himself speaks about all these practices in a lot more detail. If you're also interested to learn Isha Hatha Yoga, I will leave a teacher's finder link in the description for you guys to find a teacher near you. I will highly recommend you to learn these practices from a yoga teacher because lot of variables need to be put into consideration before you make a decision, especially if you are suffering from some ailment. So without further ado, let's get started. I always start with a yogic prayer. Astu ma sadgamaya tamso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Then I follow it by preparatory asanas, starting with Patang Asana. Keeping the heels as close to the perineum as possible, fully relax the inner thigh muscles. Keep the spinal cord straight. Breathe normally. Clasp the feet with both hands, gently move the knees up and then down towards the floor, but do not use any force. Next is Shishupal Asana. Try to keep your spinal cord straight in this as well, but do not force it, and keep the folded leg in front of chest and as close as possible. Your awareness should be on the hip joint, movement and relaxation. It prepares the legs for mastery of Padmasana and other meditative asanas. The inner thigh muscles hold a lot of tension which is relieved by these asanas. Next is Nadi Vibhajan. It is really good for your spine, which becomes very flexible. It strengthens wrists and shoulders, massages the digestive organs and improves digestion. It tones the abdomen, relaxes the mind and improve blood circulation. Once done with preparatory asanas, I do Surya Kriya, which is the core spiritual practice out of which Surya Namaskar and Surya Shakti have been derived from. Surya Kriya is a practice which leads towards the spiritual path. Surya means sun and Kriya means an inner energy process. It activates the person's energy in such a way which can lead to the stillness of the mind and stability of the body. I do 3 cycles of Surya Kriya and along with preparatory asanas, it takes around 30 minutes in total. Next I do Yoga Asanas. These are the sequence of 21 asanas or postures which have been identified by the yogic science to elevate human consciousness. So Yoga Asanas is a very comprehensive process. Minimum it takes 45 to an hour to do if I spend at least 30 seconds in each posture. Once done with Yoga Asanas, I do Shakti Chalana Kriya, which is a set of powerful purifying practices to enhance the flow of one's vital energy. This Kriya should be done in the coolest time of the day, especially in summers, because the amount of energy it generates is astonishing. This comes under advanced program that are offered by Isha Foundation. It is a part of Shunya Intensive. It takes around 45 minutes. After Shakti Chalana Kriya, I do Shambhavi Mahamudra, which is a 21 minutes yoga practice, which brings my entire system into alignment so that my body, mind, emotions and energies function in harmony. I always end my yoga sessions by a yogic prayer. After doing all these morning practices, I do Shunya twice a day, which is another 15 minutes meditation, and at night I do Samyama. To be honest, I'm not doing Samyama regularly, but I'm trying to incorporate it in my daily routine. All these practices help me maintain high alertness and energy throughout the day. It enhances my mental clarity, emotional balance, and productivity. I really achieve inner peace and joy by doing this. So yeah, this is it for the video. Let me know what you think. Stay connected, spread love. Sayonara.